Hello everyone. Now we are going to unbox this parcel. So what's inside will remain surprise. So let's quickly open. Okay. Here we go. They have glued everywhere. Can't even remove the papers. Very much sticky. So let's open this. Okay. Okay. So inside we have some visiting card, and this is the coins we have ordered. Actually these are 1 anna coins of George the Fifth King. So let's open that. So let's quickly see how the condition of the coin is. The year we have here is 1926, you can see clearly, and 1 anna in 4 languages, and at the back George V King portrait. So totally we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 coins. 11 coins. So this is of year 1928. Sooner these coins will be on sale on our website. Hit the like button. You can check our website by Google search Antique Relic or enter www.antiquerelic.in. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.